Now we will discuss the fourth statement, which is none other than sum A R not B. See, again, whenever you see sum not, you know that if any statement has sum, in the conclusion sum will come. Not is there, the conclusion not will come. Here sum is also there, not is also there. The first thing you should see is sum not should be there in the conclusion. So anyway, for the discussion sake, we'll see all A R B. All A R B is sum A R not B is what? Cross tick, because that is the fourth one, which is tick tick cross 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 tick cross tick. So this one sum A R not B. Anyway, this is tick and cross, right? But sum and not, both are not there. So will it follow? No, of course it will not. So directly seeing this, you can say no conclusion. But we have discussed all B R A is a possibility in starting of this lecture of this case. So we'll say all B R A is not a conclusion, but all B R A is a possibility. So again, if you see sum B R A, which is sum B R A, and this will also not follow. So basically in this sum A or not B, there are a lot of possibility cases. So it's better you just see at the starting of this post there is some text regarding the possibility case. You just read it. So all those cases you just keep in mind, and maybe then it will help you to crack the possibility case. And rest of the case, it is generally following the tick cross method. There is no exception as such, except that all A are B. Thank you. But in this, I'll again add my chart to show you. See this one, because now we have to take care of possibility cases also. So if you see sum B R not A, then we can say all A R B is a possibility. Anyway, just reverse it. So if it's written sum A R not B, then what we can write? All B R A is a possibility. This is very easy, and don't think it is as a exceptions, because all the possibility cases I am writing it down here. Rest you can see everything is working probably fine. There is no problem. There is no extra memorizing. Just the places where what statements possibility is coming, I have highlighted them out so you can recall them. Needs certain amount of practice, but yet it's okay. Now see the state conclusion as sum A R B. What is this generally? Cross cross. See, but what is here? It's cross tick. You will say you can distribute this again and get as a conclusion, but no, there is a sum, there is a not. You have to get sum not. That's a basic rule. So this will not follow. Okay. Now see, no A R B. So if no A or B, we can see it should be tick tick. Again there is no so there is no conclusion. So you cannot draw a conclusion over here. And then if you have all B R A. So as you know, I have told you this will be tick cross,